as we go.
Hi. Oh. Sorry.
Hi everybody, this is Carrie Ann. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I wanted to introduce my really good friend, Crystal.
Do you have a good concealer? Look.
Okay, this is seriously funny. Okay, so I guess we will do Crystal's eyeshadow today. So I'm so excited I get to do this with you guys. I should probably use that one to make my video. Okay, that was a lot. I'll just save the extra. Put it on there. I seriously feel like if I put this video up,
you're gonna lose your follower.
I'd probably or gain them. I don't know. Probably. Okay, close your eyes. Show them what I'm working with. Not really, because that's not how I act, but it's okay. I feel awkward not talking now.
I feel like we should do one where we're doing each other's makeup.
Uh-huh. And then what?
But we can't see it.
We should, huh?
Yeah.
We have to turn this way so everybody can see.
I'm like gonna fall asleep.
Really?
It's so relaxing.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have people who do your makeup?
Never.
Really?
Yeah, I had like my friends have done my makeup, but not like regularly.
Oh. Well, you'll be my like practice. My little bunny that I practice on.
Dude, even like if you were to work for Makeup Forever, they get paid really well in that store.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
Do they have to have experience?
Mm-hmm.
What about like...
Or even Sephora. They don't pay that well, but there's so much room for growth there. You should have tried Sephora.
Oh.
The only thing with Sephora, I worked there for a little bit, but you have to like really know. I was such an amateur, like I didn't know anything about brands and like pigments, what foundation was best for what skin tones and stuff like that, and like price points. You have to know all that stuff. So if you're like confident in that, then you'll do fine, but if you don't really know, then you'll get lost in the sauce.
Lost in the sauce. Okay, I just did the wrong color. Let's do that one. Oh my gosh, it's kind of looking pretty. Ish. Okay, that side. Okay, I just screwed that one up, but it's okay. That's because I had the wrong color. The nice thing is that as long as you blend, everything just starts to come into place. Are you really? You're tired, huh? I mean, you're not tired, but you're like,
It's just so relaxing. It's like I don't want to open my eyes.
What's your favorite foundation?
Estee Lauder Double Wear.
That's a good one.
Double Wear Light. What do you use right now?
MAC. I'm just using MAC. I love MAC. I always end up going back to them. I did Double Wear, but they couldn't find my shade.
Oh.
Because
they didn't want to.
Didn't want to.
Yeah. MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, I'll never go without. Estee Lauder Double Wear. I've tried other foundations, but they just don't work as well. Like they come off really easily or they make my skin oily. But Double Wear has such a nice like matte finish and it stays put all day.
Yeah.
And good coverage.
This looks horrible now.
Oh really? Dang it.
I know. Don't look.
Okay.
This is just funny. This is just funny. No judgment here, though. Seriously, this is just.
Oh God. You're like straight up laughing in my face.
I'm the one doing the makeup. I should be embarrassed.
I know.
Oh my gosh, it's like a 2-year-old just did this to you. Okay, we need some eyeliner on top.
Okay, do you have some? Some work into this.
I think I pretty.
You see that orange contour real quick?
You did that to yourself.
I know I did. I'm not proud of it, but I mean, people are gonna see it, so I gotta point it out, you know? Oh, Lord.
It looks good. I think it looks good. I'm pretty proud of myself.
Yeah.
It looks different.
I feel like Jennifer Lopez.
I think we did good. I like
You
it.
did great.
I'm happy with myself and the soft glam.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
That's
I mean,
it.
we'll see what happens. I'm happy that you like it, Crystal, and I'm
I love
glad
it.
that you came onto my channel. Thank you for coming. I love you.
Love you.
Okay.